Hi everyone, I locked my hair. It cost me about over $1,000, which is ridiculous. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Ifunara, and yeah, I'm a faith and lifestyle YouTuber based in Canada. I locked my hair. I'm literally so excited. So I've been locked for 2 months now, and the looks are looking cute. They haven't fully dropped yet, but I feel like we're actually getting there. Like, it's becoming fuller. It's just like absolutely lovely. I really love it. Actually, at first I was like, do I like it? Yeah, I'll put pictures of how it looked when I first got them done, but now 2 months in is looking way fuller. After I washed it, actually I had my first wash about a week ago, and my first retie was also 2 days ago. So yeah, they're looking very fresh and cute. I wanted to do a quick hair update video, like share my thoughts on locks, why I got it, how many locks I have, and if you're considering locks, I hope that this is a good video for you to help you make the decision, make the choice. Okay, so yeah, without further chit chat, let's get into the video. Okay, so I locked my hair in December while I was in Nigeria. I'll put videos here and there. It cost me about 130,000 naira, which was maybe like $120, somewhere around there, but it was 130,000 naira. It took me 6 hours to get it done. It was also home service, that's why it cost a bit more, because average price in Nigeria to get locks, depending on your length and the fullness of your hair, is probably about like 70 to 100k. And then yeah, I paid a bit extra because I wanted the lady to come to my house, but she was really quick. It was just one lady that did it. It took her 6 hours to do the 2-strand twist, and then like about an hour to 2 hours to fully like interlock everything. So initially I wanted to just get the 2-strand twist, and then if I like it after maybe a month or 2 months, then I'll interlock it. But after she did the first twist, I was like, yeah, I think I'm sold. So I just told her to interlock it, and it was just much easier that way for me. I got it done in Abuja. I don't know if I already said that. So now into the facts, like how long my hair is, how many locks I got, what type of locks that I did. Let me tell you. Okay, so I have a total of 360 locks. Yes, I love the fact that it's like an even number. Perfect. 360 locks. My hair was about 17 inches the day we started them. You have to do your locks on fully stretched out hair. So I had gone to the salon, washed my hair, stretched it out with like a blow dryer, and then it was the next day, or like in the evening that day, that I now got my locks done. So yeah, 17 inches, 17 to 18 inches. You guys, it was crazy because the starting price actually for locks at the salon, or like for the person that did it for me, it was 50k, and then you add extra 5k for every extra inch or something like that, as I ended up paying 130k, yeah, at the end of the day, because the minimum, so it's like 6 inches for 50k, and then every extra inch after that is an extra 5k or something crazy. But yeah, anyways, it was still way cheaper than doing it in Canada because it's like over $1,000, which is ridiculous. Actually, I guess I don't know. Anyways, I just was not going to pay $1,000 to get my locks done here. Oh, I got Microlocs actually. So these are Microlocs. I think sister locks are thinner than this, but I think this is just like perfect. Like the size is perfect for me. It might grow thicker later on, which I don't mind, but right now like they're pretty just like thin. My hair has shrunk a lot since I gave it my first wash, because this is the actual length of my hair. It's almost like double. Okay, not double, but yeah, like my hair is like here typically. Yeah, so it shrunk, which was very sad, but that's fine. It looks fuller now, so I guess like I lost some length for the volume, so which is fine. But yeah, eventually it's still going to drop, hopefully soon. Why I got locks, you guys, it has been so stress-free. I'm very tender-headed. Like every time I was getting my hair done, I was always in pain. Like any pull, I can feel every single thing, and so it was just always so painful, and I rather something stress-free. I also don't wear wigs a lot, but I don't really wear wigs so I always have to have my hair braided or just like leave my natural hair out. And yeah, I just love the ease of not having to think of what to do to my hair. I can still braid over it, I can still wear wigs if I want to, like do something else, right? So yeah, but I'm loving this so far. Yeah, so the ease of not having to think about doing anything, the less pain. And actually, because we're always manipulating our hair so much, like when you're braiding or when you're doing a different hairstyle, you lose a lot of hair. So with this, I'm also able to retain growth, retain like the fullness of my hair. I just have healthy hair, you know. I like that aspect of it as well. I just feel like God has blessed, like God gave us hair. Like, why do we have to spend so much money, time? Oh my gosh, the time it takes to get braids done. I was just like, sign me up for the easy thing, the easy stuff. But yeah, honestly, I just wanted it for the ease and I'm loving it. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions, you can let me know in the comments. I was natural for 10 years. Yeah, I had my natural hair for 10 years. And it was so sad it was sad. No, I was actually excited because my hair was really full, so that meant it was also very difficult when it came to maintaining it, combing it, like can't even get into it. Like there's some days I would just leave my hair, like I wasn't able to properly take care of it. And I just think, yeah, if I can't do that, then it's just better that I lock it and maintain it that way. So with this, I did my first retwist after the first, it was like 7 weeks. It was after the first 7 weeks. My hairstylist came. It was also home service. It cost, honestly, I'm not going to tell you the price it cost because she gives me like a really good discount because I'm her like customer, like a regular, you know. If you need her contact, if you're in Ontario, yeah, Ontario, and you want a lock, you need a loctician, let me know in the comments and I will let you know. And yeah, I'll share her contact with you, maybe. Let me know, gatekeep. But anyways, yeah, if you guys have any other questions about my log, I already told you how long it took. It took 6 hours. I have 360 log. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video has been helpful in some way. If you're considering locks, I'm gonna try to like carry you guys along my journey. Yeah, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. But so far so good. I'm trying to just get like myself adjusted to this look because obviously I always have braids or something different. I never just have like my natural hair out, so I'm a bit shy, like oh my gosh. But yeah, so it takes a while to get used to it. For the first few weeks when I got my locks, I was always packing it, like putting in a bun, like just pulling everything back because it looked a bit scanty and I didn't like that look. It was like in the ugly stage. But now after my first wash, it's actually looking, you know, much nicer. So I'm glad, I'm happy with my results. And yeah, if you have any questions, I probably already said this, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to answer. But yeah, I'm officially a lock girly. Okay, and I'll show you guys my looks. I'll also put clips somewhere in this video of when I was getting it installed for you guys to watch. And yeah, hope you guys love this video. Please like, subscribe and share it with someone, and if you're considering getting locks, just do it. Okay guys, bye.